Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Consider the following statements about a sheaf gleaned in French fields. It was published during Toru Dutt's lifetime. It contains translations as well as adaptations. It includes poems translated from German. It was published in 1876. Choose the correct answer. A1, 2 and 4 only, B1, 3 and 4 only, C2 and 3 only, D1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer is option A. The collection was published in 1876 during Toru Dutt's lifetime and contains translations, adaptations from French poetry, not German poetry. Next question. Which of the following works was not published during Toru Dutt's lifetime? A. A sheaf gleaned in French fields. B. Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avars. C. Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan. D. Both B and C. The right answer is option D. Both Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avars, 1879, and Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan, 1882, were published posthumously. Next question. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? A. The Lotus, Cultural Synthesis, B. Lakshman, Ramayana, C. Savitri, Mahabharat, D. Our Casvariana Tree, French Revolution. The right answer is option D. Our Casvariana Tree is a personal nature lyric dealing with memory and immortality, not the French Revolution. Next question. Arrange the following in chronological order of publication. Bianca, Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan. Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avars. A sheaf gleaned in French fields. A4, 1, 3, 2, B1, 4, 3, 2, C4, 3, 1, 2, D3, 4, 1, 2. The right answer is option A. A sheaf gleaned in French fields, 1876, Bianca, 1878, Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avars, 1879, Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan, 1882. Next question. Assertion. A. Toru Dutt occupies a unique place in Indian English literature. Reason. R. She was among the earliest Indian writers to achieve literary distinction in both English and French. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option A. Her bilingual achievement is one of the major reasons for her unique literary position. Next question. Which of the following poems is not included in Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan? A. Sindhu, B. Savitri, C. The Lotus, D. France 1870. The right answer is option D. France 1870 is an independent poem and not part of Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan. Next question. Which statement is incorrect? A. Toru Dutt translated French poetry into English. B. Toru Dutt composed an original novel in French. C. Toru Dutt translated Sanskrit epics into French. D. Toru Dutt blended Indian myths with English verse. The right answer is option C. She did not translate Sanskrit epics into French. Next question. The title A sheaf gleaned in French fields metaphorically suggests A. A harvest of selected French poems, B. A history of French agriculture, C. A collection of Indian folk songs, D. A travel diary. The right answer is option A. The title suggests gathering, gleaning, poetic treasures from French literature. Next question. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avars, English novel, B. Bianca, French novel, C. Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan, mythological poetry, D. A sheaf gleaned in French fields, drama. The right answer is option C. Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan is a collection of poems based on Indian mythology. Next question. Which of the following best reflects Toru Dutt's poetic method? A. Classical imitation without innovation, B. Fusion of Indian narrative tradition and European romantic lyricism, C. Pure Victorian realism, D. Modernist experimentation. The right answer is option B. The synthesis defines Toru Dutt's poetic achievement. Next question. Which poem is based on the story of Ekalavya? A. Batu, B. Dhruva, C. Prahlad, D. Lakshman. The right answer is option A. Batu is Toru Dutt's poetic retelling of the story of Ekalavya. Next question. Which feature distinguishes Toru Dutt from most 19th century Indian English poets? A. Extensive use of blank verse only, B. Original literary works in both English and French, C. Writing only political poetry. D. Exclusive use of Sanskrit meters. The right answer is option B. Toru Dutt's bilingual literary achievement is exceptional in 19th century Indian English literature. Next question. Which statement is historically accurate? A. All of Toru Dutt's major books were published before her death. B. Only one of Toru Dutt's books was published during her lifetime. C. Toru Dutt never completed a published work. D. Her first publication was Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan. The right answer is option B. A Sheaf Gleaned in French Fields, 1876, was the only book published during her lifetime. Her other major works appeared posthumously. Next question. Which of the following themes is least prominent in Toru Dutt's poetry? A. Nature. B. Mythology. C. Memory. D. Urban industrialization. Write down the correct answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end and keep sharing the sessions with all your friends.